Hey guys, today we're going to be comparing numbers again. Remember, that's all we're doing is measuring one against the other and deciding which one is bigger, which you guys are expert at already. So we're going to watch a short video song about comparing numbers. Ready?
Comparing numbers, that's the game. Bigger, smaller, or the same. Comparing numbers, one is true. Greater than, less than, or equal to. Take one group, then another. Measure them against each other. Which set has more when you count? Or do they have the same amount? Comparing numbers, that's the game. Bigger, smaller, or the same. Comparing numbers, one is true. Greater than, less than, or equal to.
For more.
Okay. So let's do just a little bit of practice. We've got 9 and 2. Which one's the bigger number? Absolutely. So are we going to use the mouth that opens this way or the mouth that opens the other way? This way, because the bigger number is on this side. Now remember, we're trying to decide, do we want 9 or 2? If we're pretending these are our favorite candies, do we want 9 pieces of our favorite candy or 2? We want 9, right? We don't even have to build that number. Now, if you are at a point that you can compare the numbers without building them, you absolutely can do that. If you know that 9 is a bigger amount than 2, get it. You can just put your greater than or less than sign. If you're not sure, you need to build it. So if I get to, let's say, 16 and 19, and I'm not sure which one is bigger because they kind of sound the same to me, do I need to build that? Yeah. Pull it down and build it so that you can see. So there's 11, right? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm going to put them just like I would put them on a what? A 10 frame to help my brain process the information quickly. There's 16. Now, here's my 19. Ready? 19, or there's 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If you're wondering how I do that, I hit Command D on my computer. I'm not sure what it would be on your Chromebook, but I'm just duplicating instead of dragging over. It takes a little less time. Now I'm going to put my singles or my ones or my units, whatever you want to call them, into their little pretend 10 frame. Which one's bigger? Yeah, I can see that there's more on this side than there is on this side. So am I going to use greater than or less than sign? The less than sign, right? Because the mouth needs to open to the bigger number. Okay, so there's my mouth, and it's fixing to gobble up 19. What happens in this case? I've got 9 and 2 again. What about if I make it 9 and 9? What should I do there? Do I need to build that? No, we're going to use our cheat codes. If they're on the same side, if 9 is on this side and on this side, it's equal to, and I'm going to move my equal sign. Done. So easy, right? Now, you've got 2 different lessons to work on in Seesaw today, so let's go. And I will show you how to get them done. The first thing we're going to do is just compare. So this alligator is hungry. Are we going to use the less than, greater than, or equal to? Which side is bigger? Now, this one doesn't have manipulatives to build it, but if you need to build it, what can you do? You can add that many shapes, right? I can add 11 heart shapes or whatever shapes you want to use, okay? It doesn't really matter. But I know that 13 is bigger than 11, so I'm going to move over the less than sign. Will you read this with me? Remember, this means less than. 11 is less than 13. Read that again. 11 is less than 13. Okay, you're going to do all, I think there's 9 of those. You're going to do all 9 by yourself. Okay? Now, let's go to the other one. This one's fun. It's like Christmas cookies, so I'm super excited. I think y'all will like this one. You've got to move the present to find the number. Then you're going to write the number in the box, make the number on the tin frame, and then we're going to decorate the cookie with that many sprinkles. And you can use whatever color you want. I'm going to pick this big fat marker. Now, you know if you press down on it, you can get big circles. Okay, so we're going to use that here in a second. Let's move the present. What's the number? Is it 11? Yeah. So let's write it. 11. Whoop, 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 whoop. Okay, yeah. So we've got 11 in the box. Now I'm going to make 11 on the tin frame using my great big marker. Now remember, you can change the color to whatever you want to make it, but I made big circles for my tin frame. So I don't want white. Let's see. Okay. So these are kind of like that highlighter, but it still will work. We can still see them, right? There's 10, 11. Now I'm going to go back to my small marker to make the sprinkles on my cookie. And I want to make it a Christmas cookie, so I think I'm going to make red and green sprinkles. I'm going to make 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to make some green ones. 9, 10, 11. So you're going to do that on every single one of these slides. There's only 5 of them. It shouldn't be too hard, but it's just reminding us of those teen numbers. So you're going to make it on the tin frame, write it, and then put that many sprinkles on the cookie. Can't wait to see what you guys do. I hope you have fun with this. See you later, guys.